Hey Gani, Ika, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister and a younger brother. I am the middle child. What about you, Nick?
And the second child of their brother. It's ours. Both were very close. What about you, Bong?
I have a big family. I have 5 siblings. My house is always busy but very fun.
Wow, that's a lot. Do you all live in the same city?
Yes, we live together except for my oldest sister who works in Solo.
Oh, I see. Sometimes introduce them all to us.
Okay, Ika and Gani.
Hi, Ka. I often see you experiencing. How often do you experience?
Hi, Yanni. I usually go jogging or take a walk in the morning. I exercise about 4 times a week.
That's great. I sometimes exercise, but I often too busy.
I understand. I am always expect in the afternoon. I am like playing Bursa.
That's so fun. I really skip my jogging because it helps me relax.
I hardly ever exercise, but I want to start jogging this weekend.
Very good idea. Exchange regular. It's good for you. Health.
That's right. How about we exercise together later?
Good idea.
Yes, very good idea.
Okay, see you later. I'll go first. Bye. Hello. Hi, Danny. How was your weekend?
Hi Ika, it was okay, but I stayed at home all day. I was about tired, so I just watched some movies. How about you, Ika?
Oh, I had a wonderful time. I went around City with my sister. We visited the City Nurbaya Bridge and the beach. The views were beautiful.
Such lovely. I was at a no jump near the park last today. I go out there with some old visitors.
Where there many people at the cafe?
There were many popular it was story make good still had with the
I am glad to hear that. Even though our activities were different, it seems we all enjoyed our weekend.
Next time, why jungle together this weekend?
Yeah, good idea.
Yes, that's a great idea. Let's schedule it.